Hello everyone, my name is Panna Roy Chaudhary. I'm the Associate Editor of the Tiles of India magazine. I'm joined by my colleague Ms. Sheetal Joshi, Senior Features Writer at the Tiles of India. Today we are in conversation with Mr. Chetan Kajaria, who is currently the Chairman of Indian Council of Ceramic Tiles and Sanitary Ware, ICTAS. He is also the Joint Managing Director of Kajaria Ceramics Limited. Today's conversation is an attempt to understand his views and outlook on how the industry is grappling with COVID-19 and what measures can be taken to help it bounce back as normalcy returns gradually. Mr. Chetan Kajaria is known in the industry as an astute businessman with a visionary leadership and a foresightedness that is extremely commendable. We hope to glean many important insights today and hope that you will enjoy this conversation too. And now I will pass over to my colleague Ms. Sheetal Joshi to take this forward.
Brief questions we would like to ask you. As we all are aware, the world is going through COVID-19 pandemic. So what message you would like to convey to the Indian ceramic tile and sanitary ware industry and also for the global industry, which is going through a tough time today?
So we as ICTAS would like to pray that all our colleagues, members and friends across the globe are safe and healthy and with their loved ones.
What kind of help the government is currently providing to the industry and what are your expectations from the government?
We are hopeful that the government will provide a stimulus package soon for the industry. In terms of expectation, our wish list is only two. Point number one, today tiles and sanitary ware are no longer a luxury item. These are goods of basic need for maintaining hygiene and health, more so in these COVID-19 times. So it is imperative that tiles and sanitary ware be made affordable to the people. In this regard, we would request that these goods, which are taxed at the current rate of 18% in the GST regime, be brought down to 12%. This will not only help the industry to grow much faster, but making it more affordable for the people will also help in fulfilling the government's program of housing for all by 2022 and increase hygiene, which is a need of the hour desperately. Second, natural gas is the main cost component for the tiles and sanitary ware industry. Presently, natural gas is out of the GST regime and is subject to different rates in different states. Our industry using natural gas as an input for the industrial process are not able to claim any input tax credit paid on procurement of natural gas, since they have an output tax liability of GST on their final product. Natural gas is one of the cleanest and the most efficient fuels. Keeping it outside the ambit of GST is putting the industry using natural gas at a disadvantage compared to those industries which use alternate fuels, which comes under GST. So, in summary, only two requests: that ceramic tiles and sanitary ware be taxed at 12% instead of the current 18%, and to bring natural gas under GST to push the Indian economy towards a cleaner and environmental friendly ecosystem.
What is your future perspective for the industry?
Going forward, 2021 looks a little tough due to the COVID-19 crisis, but we feel that 21-22 will be a year of strong growth and the industry will bounce back very strongly.
How do you think the industry will be able to bounce back?
Couple of reasons. Pent-up demand, construction would normalize, and renovation demand will be generated.
And lastly, what are the factors that might help to overcome this crisis?
So as I requested, if these two requests from the government are met, this will go a long way in helping the tiles and sanitary ware industry in overcoming this crisis.
You were mentioning about the pent-up demand. Could you elaborate a little bit more on it? We would like to know.
Okay, so basically, current year 2021, the demand will be a little slow with the crisis happening. But when things get normalized in 21-22 and the second half of 2021, then the demand would increase substantially.
Yeah, so you feel that there will be a demand in terms of restructuring or building, and that will help the industry accordingly.
Correct.
Absolutely, right? So that's a very optimistic view, a very optimistic note, sir. So thanks a lot. It was wonderful speaking to you. And yes, sir, of course. Yes, sir. That's exactly the reason why we wanted you on. And we are very happy with this and hope you continue this cooperation and support. And we wish you all the best, sir, in all your endeavors.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for coming and joining with us today. Thank you.
Thank you.